So guys, this is how you can get your COC letter in just one easy step. Once you have your Daman app installed on your phone, simply log in using your UAE pass. As you can see on the screen guys, downloading your certificate of continuity, or call it the COC, is very easy. All you have to do is tap here on the download COC button. You should keep in mind that your COC letter cannot be generated if your insurance policy is still active with Daman. So, before you start the process of requesting or downloading your COC, you should request your company to cancel your Daman medical insurance. Once your insurance policy is cancelled, log in again and then tap on download COC. Immediately, a certificate of continuity will be generated. You can share this certificate with your new employer. So guys, that is it. If you have any questions regarding this process, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more.